Salmon Patties. How to make, including recipe. Salmon patty ingredients. These are the simple ingredients you'll need to make this salmon patty recipe. Salmon. This easy recipe starts with a can of canned salmon. Breadcrumbs. Use store-bought breadcrumbs or make your own. Flavoring. You can use onion, garlic, whatever, to your taste. Egg. An egg lends moisture and helps bind the patty together. Olive oil. Fry the salmon patties in olive oil. How do you make salmon patties? Here's a brief overview of what you can expect when you make salmon patties. Drain the salmon and reserve the liquid. Add the crumbs, your flavoring, onions, garlic, whatever, and the egg to the salmon. Shape into patties. Cook the patties in oil until golden brown. As to the ingredients we'll see now, you need 1 can of canned salmon, 14.75 ounce. Half a cup seasoned dry breadcrumbs, or to your taste. Quarter cup chopped onion, or to your taste, whatever. 1 large egg. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Directions. Step 1. Gather all ingredients. Step 2. Drain and reserve liquid from canned salmon. Place salmon in a medium bowl. Add bread, crumbs, onion, or your flavoring, and egg. Mix well to combine. Step 3. Shape mixture into patties, adding reserved liquid from salmon if the mixture is too dry. Step 4. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add patties and cook until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Step 5. Drain on paper towels. Serve and enjoy. Photo credits. Meredith Food Studios. Used without permission.